What is up? Gonna be making an iced chai latte. And let's see, grab the chai. This is that Rooibos. I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but it's the good stuff. Really good. And let's see, I did go ahead and grab some extra, some new raw sugar. So I'll be using raw sugar to sweeten this. What else do we need here? I need, not the teaspoon, the tablespoon. I need my strainer, and I'll use my matcha scoop to mix things up. And let's see, what else do I need? I think that's about everything. Need a mug, of course. I'll grab that. Oh yeah, a mug and the large frothing pitcher, so I can actually mix everything up in that. So the way I'm gonna make this, right? I'm gonna take, just go ahead and start now. 4 tablespoons of the loose leaf matcha. It seems like a lot. It is a lot because this ice drink, the half and half is going to dilute it a ton. So you really want a strong base with this. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to add around 4 to 5 ounces of water to this. Hot water. Right until where I see it be runnery. All right. So there's our chai right there. Gonna put it up here. I'm gonna wait for 4 minutes. I'm actually gonna put it at 5. I'm gonna put it at 5 minutes. So 5 minutes on the timer, and yeah, now we wait. All right, timer is up. Now what I'm gonna do immediately is add 2 tablespoons of the raw sugar. Make sure y'all can see this, okay? I added 1, 2. And what I'm also gonna do in addition is add a pump of French vanilla as well. That's 1 full pump of French vanilla. And now I'm just gonna mix it up. I'm gonna go ahead and get the steam one started. I got my half and half right here next to me. I'm just gonna make sure we incorporate this very well. So what we made is basically a super sweet and flavorful base. And then all we do is add half and half to it, froth it up, and put it on the thing. Also, I think I was making an iced chai, not a hot chai, so let me grab the right mug. There we go. It's the morning. Just woke up. Gonna fill it up to right about where the spout starts, maybe a little bit more. And we're pretty much gonna add nothing but air here. And I'm not trying to make it hot either. I just want a texture, I want it to mix, that's all I want. I don't want it to get super steaming hot, because it's a nice drink. So I'm just gonna add air, get that nice texture at the top. Then for a second, I'm gonna go ahead and dip it and incorporate it and turn it off. Got my damp rag next to me to clean off the wand. Purge. Check that out. All right, so let's see, I'm done with this. I don't need this. I just need my cup, some ice, and a strainer. A lot of ice, actually, because it is still a little bit warm. Honestly, I may have enough for like a larger cup, but we'll just use this size, it's fine. Check that out. I find this to be like the most authentic way to make this drink. There's some people use syrups and stuff like that. I've never used syrups at my home setup like this. I've always done I've always done like the steep method, and honestly I just feel like it's the best method. I feel like it's the most fun as well. And nice, it's already cold. Wow, that is so good. And one thing I forgot to add, what I do with all my chai lattes, I add some cinnamon sugar on top. So let's do that here as well. Just a bit of cinnamon sugar to garnish. Beautiful. There, I'll have it. Get your thumbnail. Beauty. All right. Thanks for watching as always, y'all. Iced chai latte. Appreciate it, and more soon.